Morning TYB family, welcome back to another video, another banger. And this morning we are on our way to Cars and Coffee, and we got Susie fully buttoned up. She's not done. My uncle did put some work on sanding it down and making sure all this is prepped properly so that when he shoots it, it'll be all perfect and there's no craters or nothing within the paint and it looks clean. But yeah, Susie's got her pants on, she's all good. This is the first Cars and Coffee we're taking her with everything on, you know, even though it's not complete. So I'm excited. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. And we're waiting for Unc right now, and it's Unc's birthday. Make sure y'all go tell him a happy birthday in the comment section below. He's gonna pull up, we're gonna be on our way. We have made it to Cars and Coffee. All of the discussed things are pulling up, but Susie's here in all her glory and she's looking so good, y'all. I'm mad that all those cars was in front of us in the little canyon run, so I couldn't really push it too hard, but you know, it is what it is. Next time, you know, that wasn't the point of today's video. My boy Supra right here, and the carbon hood just looks so good. So good. The wheels, he did this car very tastefully. I love it. This is the one thing that I would probably add is a carbon hood on Susie. They're just so expensive and I'm broke. Here's a newer Supra, newer Susie. You could tell by the wheels. If you guys didn't know, is this one manual? No, not a manual, but it's still a newer Susie. What y'all think? I like those wheels. Those wheels is really nice. There's so many Supras here today. And hey, I didn't even notice this plane is hard as fuck. But yeah, there's so many Supras here today. It's kind of like a Supra car meet. But here is another one that's white with the color match aero kit, like the color match lip, side skirt, and skirt, which is actually clean, I'm not gonna lie. On the powder coated factory wheels. This thing's pretty sick. If you guys didn't know, I was gonna do this front lip before I got that bumper. And now I'm looking at it, I don't think I would have liked it. Not saying that it's bad, for me, I think I would have wanted to go a different route eventually. He also has the little front lights up there, which different. Supra Sunday today, because two more just pulled up. There's like 9 Supras here, but this one's clean. These are the wheels that I really like. Maybe I think these are it. I just don't like the center caps. I don't know, to me center caps make the shit look weird, but I do like it. This thing's clean. Got the little carbon spats, Street Hunter wing TEs.
Black wheels though.
Yeah, it's sick. Yeah, I don't. Black wheels, it looks clean, it's simple. But you know me, I'm not clean and simple. There's a Mercy here. This is probably the only Lambo I'd ever dream of owning. Everything else I really don't give a shit about. But a Mercy though, crazy. E-gear, so it's a little more on the affordable side, quote unquote. Oh, this is a dream. You have to have the bat wings up though, man. What is you doing? You got the doors up, but you don't got your wings out. So we got a brand new 35 right here. T-Spec 2, I think. Millennium Jade. You can tell this is the updated front end. And in person, it looks nice. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. That bar right here, gotta go. That's all I'm saying. These wheels, Hella clean, my boy. Got the T-Spec badge. Yeah, the ass a little more like Optimus Prime-y. If you know what I'm hinting at. So this Lexus, y'all, what I'm talking about. This thing's got a 2J GTE VVTi single turbo. This thing is so fucking sick, bro. And it's wide bodied. Yeah, I know this thing's a blast to drive. Look at them talking shit about my car. Yeah, my Supra is so much better, babe. Look at the fitment is just ass. Stop hating on his car. Yeah, he knows he's talking shit, bro. Let's go, let's go. Got my boy 35 here, and this one is probably my favorite one here. Probably my favorite 35 that I've ever seen in person, because this front end is just so crazy. Look at all the carbon, y'all. Sheesh, carbon hood, wheels is clean, and he even got GTR center caps. Like, the attention to detail on this car is just crazy. This Supra right here has the brake kit that one day we'll get, probably not. Bet y'all didn't even notice these brakes on here. Things is crazy. And he has the interior that I want. I'd probably keep the black, not the red, because it wouldn't match anything else. But you see how it has the suede on the inside and the carbon little headrest pieces, and he's got the carbon wheel. Man, I want those seats so bad. He has the rear bumper that we have, the carbon. We gotta take a look at that. 164. We gotta take a look at his bumpers. That's the carbon version.
Going once.
Ooh.
Notice it after that when you backed it up.
Yep.
Check your tickets. Come on, check your tickets, people.
And the
Go ahead
hood
and pick
too.
another ticket. Somebody just became really lucky.
And my boy did that tastefully. We heard this RX-7 pull up. I would not mind owning an RX-7 one day. And he's on a TE. This shit fire. You got a crazy little kit on it too. I haven't seen this. That hood and this front bumper I've never seen on it. Y'all, a Mark IV just pulled up. Y'all see it. We're trying to catch up to it right now. It sounds so good. Hey, it's a good thing we didn't leave. We were about to head out. We got all the wide body 35s pulling up. Okay. Okay. Jeez, that thing is sick. That's gonna be you or what? Hell yeah. These are sick. Ooh. Yeah. Here you go. The door is unlocked for you. Let's see how you feel. You look good in there, huh? You gotta figure it out.
Man,
This is the 2017 Plus interior. How you like it?
Man, I think it fits good.
The thing fits good, huh?
Oh my god.
This shit's sick. You sold or what? I'm sold.
Dude, this is fucking beautiful.
This thing is, you fit. This car fits you. Hell yeah. What y'all think? Comment below. Should Unc get a R35? I want to hear y'all loud in the comments. Unc needs a 35.
I couldn't find my
Here's a closer look at, bro, this thing is player. This thing is hard, bro. Yeah, that's undefeated. You do a 35, you got a chassis mounted. Like, it's only right. And he's got the carbon trunk. Oh, this thing is done right.
All right, are we ready for the next raffle here? Let's get it up. Can I hear some noise? Let's go. Come on, raffle.
You trade your shit for this? Like as it sits?
All right, last three. Get your tickets ready. Last three.
I think I can say yeah.
One in my hand here.
But if it was stock,
I
fuck
have
no.
last numbers 2.
Yeah. But like this, yeah. What y'all think?
292.
Would y'all trade these 33 for this?
Shirt.
I say that's a good option. The M2s, yeah, because the new one came out. Look, he's got that wing. Like, we gotta show love to my boy. If you got a big fat wing, we fuck with you already by default. This thing hard too. I think it's the same wide body as the one over there. It just has a different wing.
No.
This one.
Come on.
Ooh. Ooh.
Man, no. Terrible.
Shit. Got the Heligato. That shit's hard. See, I just got a bone to pick with this. I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and have to take one of those badges off. Oh man, this thing pulls. Hey, this shit is scary fast. Hold on. Huh. Should get it down to 3 and oh shit. That was a cop. That was a cop. Good thing we weren't popping and banging. Oh yeah, I'm ending the video here. I've been trying my luck way too many times already on this trip home. Hey, I love y'all. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and it really helps, man. I'll see you on the next vlog.
I got a stable, got a blue, we catching hella balls. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow ball. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro? My dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.